Let's talk short eats. Short eats are everywhere in Sri Lanka, and these are just a sample. There's a wide variety available. The thing about short eats is that they are not just a snack. You can have short eats for lunch, for breakfast, or even for dinner. Students on the go might buy a couple of short eats on their way to school. Or if somebody is staying away from home, they might buy a few short eats and take it home with them on the way back from work for dinner. There's a lot more to short eats in Sri Lanka than being a simple snack. We will have a video about all the details about short eats, and we have a surprise guest on that video as well. So see you on that video.